Hello and welcome to TI Precision Labs discussing PSpice for TIs, how to archive a design. First, navigate to PSpice and open the project you would like to archive. Make sure all recent changes are saved. This is to ensure your most recent save of your project gets archived. On the top left corner, click File and select Archive Project. A menu will appear with preferences on how you would like the project to be archived. Check the boxes Library Files, Include Test Bench, Reference Projects, and Create Single Archive File. Also be sure to choose an archive directory. This cannot be in the same file location as your original project. You can also rename your file under File Name for better readability. Once these steps are completed, click OK. From here, you can view your zip file in the location in which you chose. The archive project can be unzipped and will contain all the schematics and simulations from your project. That concludes this video. In summary, we discussed the steps needed to take in order to archive a design and how the receptant can access its contents. Thank you for watching. To find more technical resources, please visit ti.com.